our first time making slime. KMJ, girls versus boys. So we're gonna show you our ingredients and tell you what we have. So first of all, we have bowls. Everybody else has. Then we have some water. Yeah. And borax. And we have put in the water. Sticks. We also have sticks, like what my brother says. Soda colors. Then we have food color. Then we have slime. Then we have glitter. And now we have foam balls. More activator. And then the main ingredient we have is glue. And let's get started. So let's get started. I got it. I'm strong. Marco's muscles. Not that much. Oh, here you go. That's it. Right? Doesn't matter. So I'm gonna have my stick. Don't worry, God. And make it a little bit.
Wait, Johnny, you make it.
Ooh, should I make it purple? No. Should I make it purple? We need to. So we can I'm gonna make it pink. Blue. Like what I always want. Oh no. Wait, I want blue, green, so we could pick another blue. Turquoise.
You're gonna mix colors?
This is yellow.
Careful with the food color.
Oh, this one, yeah. This one is
No, I'm gonna get another.
yellow. It says yellow. This is yellow.
Get some pink. Oh no, no. I was
Okay, so-
gonna choose one blue. Yeah.
Okay, so Johnny, what color you gonna use, buddy?
Pink here. Orange.
Orange? Okay. Here, let me help you with that.
Orange. I have.
Let's get some orange
Should I
in
do
here.
purple? Like that. Look how blue this
Mix
is.
it. Yeah, mix it in there.
Frosted
Ah!
blue is. Okay, got it. Look how
Papi.
frosted blue is, Papi. So nice. Yeah, there you go.
You can mix it. I'll let you try, but grab it. You
There.
keep
I didn't know.
So, hey, oh, Johnny got orange. It looks like a little peach.
Yeah, there it is, peach. Let me see, Marco.
Marco?
Yeah.
How do you meant Johnny?
Okay. Johnny, you gotta cook.
It's peach.
Okay, keep mixing.
Should
Keep
I make
mixing.
it a bit purple?
Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Let me see, Karina.
I need to add it in. Should I add a bit more sugar afterwards? But right now I'm gonna add some please count. Open!
Johnny, what color you gonna put in now?
I want to get all the colors.
How much, Johnny? A little. A little. Ooh, Johnny's putting some.
Maybe open it.
Just a little bit. Sprinkle it. Oh, okay.
This is not
Yes,
a
mix
little
it.
bit.
Oh,
Can
oh.
somebody give me like a scissors to
Stir,
poke
stir.
it?
Let me see, Marco.
I need help.
Wouldn't it be easier to put this sparkles
Can I put
after
this
you
here?
already activated it? And
Yeah.
then-
Yeah, that's better.
So what are you doing?
No, that didn't work. Give us mine.
Go. Go. Yeah, yeah. Okay, today. Okay. There's a, you can spill it quick. Don't worry. One more, Johnny, one more. One more. Yay, one more.
No, no glitter.
He just wants to add glitter and glitter, that's it, buddy.
Like
Yay,
42.
thank you.
I do have like 42 spoons of borax.
Oh, yours came out. Yay.
It's sticky. So sticky.
Marcos needs more. Put yours
I
back in
need
the
a
water.
lot. No, it's
Look at Marcos' hands.
Marco,
Mine is covered.
it's really blue.
I need one more spoon. One more spoon. Oh, there's no one. Wait, no, that's it, Johnny.
I'm used to.
Oh, I didn't use the foam balls.
I want to use it too.
You can put it out.
You can put it now, Karina, no?
Can you give it to me? Can you put it in my open?
Well, let papi ahora, mientras estamos en la cola.
I don't know if this is ready or just touch it.
Ready? Ready, Mommy? Ready? 3, 2, 1. What? No, no, no. You sticky hand.
Relax, kanina.
What a folding.
Wala pa pilo.
This is hard.
Oh, maybe you.
And it's stuck to this also.
Yeah, that's when you go to the top pilo.
You could.
No, I want to. I'm scared because it's gonna. Oh my god.
Oh boy.
Maybe you guys should see how Karina's is before you add it to yours. Maybe you're not gonna like it.
I like mine because it's always crunchy when you do those. Oh my god, so thin, Quisiala.
See? Oh, so thin. So nice.
There's like almost nothing on the
Puppy
table.
food
I go
is
pick
so
it up and I
comfy.
spill a lot more.
Puppy food is so comfy. It's
Oh, yeah?
like foamy.
Hold on.
It's stuck on my finger a bit. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add some purple.
Are you putting some foam, Johnny?
Yeah.
Are you putting some foam, Johnny?
Oh,
You gonna put some of this, Johnny?
Yeah.
Okay,
Now I'm
go.
gonna put the
Put it.
purple.
No, like that. Grab some, put some in.
Okay.
Yeah, go.
I'll help you, Johnny. I want to help Johnny.
There. More.
No, don't have it.
Mine's is so pretty.
What's
I
up,
only have
go?
the sauce.
Mix it.
Puppy.
Yeah. Whoa.
Stuck on my hand. You know what I could do this, okay? Do this, okay?
Okay, go.
I
Yeah.
love slime
Oh, I
videos.
can feel it. Nice. Soft.
Yeah. That's why I always wanted to.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna add some orange. Can I just put a little more?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take oh my god. Foam piece. Help me.
No,
No.
no.
Now I'm gonna add some yellow glitter.
That looks nice.
Oh, Johnny, no.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
We have a plan. No, come here. I'm gonna add some green. Open. They're so comfy. Look. Dad.
You like it, Johnny? It's good? Pick up the rest.
So big. Oh, mine is so small. Oh, it's like sitting mine.
What are you making, Johnny? Hot dog?
Hot dog done. You make it a hot dog? You must sauce in the hot dog. Seriously. It's a bit sticky. It will be good. Yummy cake. Look. I had all the glitter on this.
Johnny, cut
Not that
it.
much hope.
Cut it hard. Chop it one time hard, Johnny.
What? It's moving! It's moving!
Marco's hands are blue. This is your
Stop.
blue.
No.
Don't touch
I can't do this.
it. Don't touch it, Johnny.
Look good.
Hey, Papi, don't touch it.
You know what's gold plus silver is? You know what's gold
Cuando
plus
quieran.
silver? I know. Oh. Gold is silver. It makes us silver. I'll help you. Oh, what if I thanks for watching and please subscribe our video. If you haven't already, hit that like button. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Johnny.
Bye.
Bye, Johnny.
Bye, Johnny.
First time making